Hey y'all, today's video is going to be a day in the life. We spent the early morning on social media doing our posts and engaging with others. Now we're getting set up to do our laundry out here because, as we've said before, this local laundromat just does a worse job than I can do doing it myself. While I wait for each load to dry, I'm going to read some more of this book that was sent to me by the author. So far, I'm a little less than halfway through. It's a pretty good read. I'd recommend. And then after laundry, we have some plants to water, but we might wait to do that till closer to the evening. We'll take you along. Well, I did what I always do when I'm doing these day in the lives and forgot to film. We stopped for lunch, but I just made chicken salad. My chicken salad recipe is super simple. About a half pound of chicken, shred it up. Celery, chop it up. Pickles, chop those up. And then a little bit of mustard and about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Pepper to taste, and that's about it. I had mine on the Aldi protein wraps, and Chris had his on the half-loaf Hawaiian bread. Some of the clothes are starting to dry, so I took a couple items off, and then we're getting ready to put some more in their place. The weather's been great today. Makes me feel like we should have done something a little more fun, but the next load's ready to go up. Some of this is dry. I've just been reading my book while Chris has been
working on my next book.
Oh, editing.
Trying to get it all edited, did it just so, making sure it's all reading like it should be, and hopefully within the next hour or so I'll actually start finishing up the piecing of it as a actual ebook, and it should be ready to go maybe by the end of the week.
And then yesterday
I finally got an official paperback copy of my first book, Did Roads, and it actually looks really, really good. So that should be live anytime now, and that will be available on the Amazon Kindle store.
And we'll have links to all that in the description below. But back to laundry. After we finished the next load of laundry, we went and watered the garden and flower beds for a couple who are seasonals and are on vacation. I thought about showing you, but then I was like, it's somebody's yard. Not that I think they would mind, but yeah. They do have some absolutely gorgeous looking tomatoes that are about ready to be picked. Their peppers are growing pretty well, and their flowers are beautiful. Now we are working on dinner, and the last load of laundry is on the line. Tonight we're going easy. We're doing hot dogs on the Blackstone and potato salad. Technically these are turkey dogs.
Yep, cheddar jalapeno.
Yeah, I'm gonna do no bun or bread with mine.
I'm probably gonna do the same.
Yeah, just a little bit of mustard in the potato salad, and I think that'll be more than enough food. I'm not hungry.
I'll probably eat all 3 of mine, and then I'll be good.
The stuff on the line is almost dry. Some of it, no, because it was just put up there maybe half an hour ago. But that's the only thing about doing it ourselves this way, is it's an all-day thing, especially since I wait until the basket is completely full. I vacuumed the steps, and then I got sidetracked and started taking stuff off the line that was dry. I still have a couple things there that are dry. Those gray shorts are not. And then this stuff isn't, but I'll kind of move it all to the middle because that seems to get the best wind. And then since I got sidetracked, Chris decided he'd go ahead and start vacuuming. There's just so much sand here that it's a constant vacuuming battle. Next, we really need to clean the blackstone and re-season it. And then I don't know what our plans are for this evening. Well, the day is done, and so is the laundry. The first time we did it, used rope, and that tends to sag. And so we saw someone else using ratchet straps for a line, and that works out a whole lot better. We can hang it just over our head and it doesn't really stretch at all. So I think now I'm going to show you this sunset, and then we're going to head in and probably watch some TV.